Hi guys, welcome back to Words of Encouragement. Oh, this funny thing happened the other day. Well, kind of funny and it was a teachable moment. You know those in life, those teachable moments when you go with your kids and you're like, got to take advantage of this. Okay, so the little ones were fussing at each other, and I came into the room, discovered what was going on, and I just stopped them and I said, guys, this reminds me of something that I go through in my life, even as an adult. And that is you have something happen and you want your own way. So it goes something like, I want my own way. But then the Lord says, but your way isn't so great. But you're still like, but I want my own way. I want my own way. And the Lord says, but your way is hurting people. For me, that's the place where I take it to my knees. Just to be frank and honest with you, I take it to my knees and I pray about it until my heart changes. But don't we do that? And no matter whether it's a 3-year-old throwing a temper tantrum or a 33-year-old who wants their own way in whatever it is. It reminds me of a verse in Isaiah, and it's chapter 55, verses 8 and 9. For my thoughts are not your thoughts, neither are your ways my ways, declares the Lord. For as the heavens are higher than the earth, so are my ways higher than your ways, and my thoughts than your thoughts. And I have to be honest with you, when I was younger and I read that verse, that passage, I just thought of the wisdom of the Lord, that He's wiser than I am, and He is, and that He sees things differently than I do, and He does. But when I was rereading that text, something occurred to me that hadn't before. Have you ever been in an airplane, and as you're take off and you're rising up in the sky, the things on the earth get smaller and smaller and smaller, and you can see more and more and more. And that's what occurred to me. The Lord says, my ways are higher than your ways. He can see the beginning from the end and vice versa. He sees everything in the middle, and He can see that if I'm making a bad decision and it is going to turn out to hurt me later on, then in His grace and in His love, He tries to stop me from making that horrible decision and correct me so that it turns out better in the end. How cool is that, right? Oh, I hope this has encouraged you guys. It really does me, and it's such a good reminder to me, especially in this beautiful weather that we're having right now. Get outside and look up and remember His ways are higher than my ways. I'll see you next time on Words of Encouragement.